The Laser Tools diesel smoke meter has been developed to offer a fast and cost-effective solution to checking the emissions from a diesel engine exhaust. The technology used to measure the exhaust emissions is the same as that used in current MOT machines. It measures the smoke level of the exhaust gas in the same way and to the same specifications, all without the large price tag that traditional MOT spec smoke meters require. It's very easy to use and set up. A clear LED system shows green for pass and red for fail. It could not be easier. It's been developed to allow the professional garage and home mechanic to check the diesel emissions for service and pre-MOT purposes. The unit is powered from the car's 12-volt power socket. Simply plug in, follow the straightforward instructions and the machine will self-calibrate. A few seconds later and it is ready to test. First, make sure the vehicle is up to normal operating temperature. When the green and blue LEDs are flashing, the test setting is selected. The smoke meter has 3 settings: pre-July 2008, turbo and non-turbo, and from July 2008. The red turbo select button is pressed to make the selection. In this case, pre-July 2008 turbo has been selected and the orange LED will light up. Now press the black start button. The green and blue LEDs will stop flashing and the red LED will be on. This indicates that the smoke meter is sampling fresh air and calibrating itself to no smoke level. When the red LED begins to flash, this indicates to the user to connect the sample pipe to the exhaust. Now press the start button again. The blue LED will flash for about 10 seconds. When the blue LED stops flashing and stays on, the operator should accelerate the engine to full throttle while continuing to watch the blue LED. The throttle should be held full on until the blue LED goes out. The smoke meter will then display the result for the test. Green for pass, or if the vehicle has failed the test and the smoke levels in the exhaust are too high, the smoke meter will display the red LED. The user can be confident that a pass on a Laser Tools diesel smoke meter will equal a pass on an MOT machine, provided the correct procedures have been followed. Invaluable to workshops of all sizes and available now.